Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find bestsellers on Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you have two ways. Either you use like a traditional method or you can use some tools that would allow you to have some market researching or trend researching, etc. So for example, let's go for example for a category and we go to art and collectibles. And basically from there, you would find in the listings or in the searching, you will find, for example, by relevance. And from here, you will find some ones that are like best selling and the most selling product that will be showing since they are on the top, etc. And you might have like some kind of insights just on the search, research, etc. Otherwise, in the simplest way and the best way is to use some other tools. For example, you can use Everbee, and Everbee is a tool of uh, that you can see all the informations on products, also of shops, etc. So simply you can go and connect your Everbee with your Etsy shop, and basically you can grant access to it, and basically now you will be able to use some product analytics or shop analytics. So here if we go to shop analyzer, we can simply search for any shop. For example, this one has a total sales of uh, 500,000, and we can click on it, and basically it will give us some shop stats and the listings and the one that are selling the most, etc. If you want like a product analytic to find like best selling items, you could see this one, for example, the price of this one and the reviews, the listing age, and you can filter by the ones that has been like the most sold, etc. And you can do also the keyword search, etc., etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.